So today we are going to start our second lesson. So the first lesson has completed. So today we are going to start our second lesson, grammar part. So the textbook children, all of you open your textbooks. The page number 58. The textbook page number 58. Let us start our second lesson, grammar part. So children, all of you open your textbook. The first topic here we have in our textbook, that is naming words. So children, what do you mean by naming words? Names. Naming word means the names. The names of person, the names of places, the names of things, the names of animals, the names of birds, anything. The names of countries, the names of towns, the names of cities, anything. So what is saying about, which is saying about the names. So that is called as a naming word. Okay children, so the first Roman they have given, that is write these naming words in a correct columns. That means here in our textbook they have given a box. So in one box they have given some words, some names they have given. So what are that names means? The names of animals, names of things and names of places. Names of animals, things and places, all they have given in a one box. So what they have asked us to do, that is write these naming words in the correct column. So we have to separate and we have to write in a separate column. Suppose the name is about the animal. If it is an animal name, you have to write below the animal column. If it is a thing, we have to write the name below the things column. If it is the name of a place, we have to write in the below the column. So below this column, places column. So they have given here for us to write, children. They have given a blanks. So here we can see blanks they have given, children. So we no need to worry. So in a correct blank we can write the answer. So here we can write. Okay children, let us start the first topic, naming words. So here we can see in this box what we have. The first one, peacock, jug, book, cow, horse, socks, school, bank, bag, hospital, swan, church. So children, here the birds' names also they have given, but we have to write in our animals column only, because here they did not give the birds column, separate column they did not give. So below the animals column only, here in this column only we can write the names of animals and birds also. Okay children, now first one they have given already there. Answer the first one they have started. So what we have in our textbook, here we can see children, the first one they have started, that is peacock. So peacock is an animal. So here they have written, children, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. So this has been completed already in our textbook. So this you no need to write to me. Now let us see the another one. Jug. What do you mean by jug? Is it a animal, thing or a place? Yes, jug means it's a thing. So this in the second column here we have to write jug. J-U-G, jug. Here we can write to me. Now book. Book means book is also a thing. So this also you can write the same, the another blank, second blank. Book. Now what about the cow? Cow is an animal. Cow is an animal. So here we can write, children, the first column, cow. So these are the small letters here we are using. So all of you children, you can write in a small letters. So no need to use the capitals. And then horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. So horse is also an animal. So here we can write, children, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. And then socks. S-O-C-K-S, socks. Socks is so this is not a place and this is not an animal. So this is an thing. So this you can write in here, the thing column. So this you can write, children, S-O-C-K-S, socks. Now, school. School means, yes, it is not an animal, not a bird, it's not an animal, not, and thing. School is a thing, children? No. So, what we have to write here? So, school is a place. School is a place. So, the third column, here you should write the school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. And bank, yes, bank is also a place. So, this also you must write here. B-A-N-K, bank. So, you should write in a below the places column. Okay, children? Bag, B-A-G, bag. What do you mean by bag? School bag. So, bag is a thing. So, this you should write here. Jug, book, socks, these are the things. And a B-A-G, bag also. And then hospital. Hospital is a place. So, this should go to the third column. Hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. Okay, children, this is the third one, place. Swan. So, swan is a bird. That's a belongs to a beautiful bird. Swan, you know that white color swan we used to see. So, here the peacock also we have written below the animal column only. So, why? Because we don't have the bird column separately. So, here only we should write, children, swan. S-W-A-N, swan. And then last one, that is church. So, church means it's a place. So, finally here we can write the church. C-H-U-R-C-H, church. So, these here we have separated. So, in each column here we got the four words. Peacock, cow, horse, swan. These are the two animals and the two birds. Peacock and a swan are the birds. And a cow and a horse are the animals. And comes to the things, jug is a thing, book, socks, bag, book also a thing. So this is also a thing. These are the non-living things which don't have the life. Okay, children. Now coming to the places, school, bank, hospital, church, market, temple, these are the places. Okay, children. So the first Roman has been completed in our textbook. So children, all of you note down carefully, everybody. So very neatly you should enter, children. Here we have the blanks. So here we have completed the first Roman. Now children, let us see the second Roman. So children, let us see the second Roman. The second Roman here we have in our textbook, that is circle the word. So the B Roman they have given. Circle the word in each set that is not a naming word. Here in the before Roman, here we have done the naming words. Here the naming words only, but in this set we have to circle that word which is not a naming word. Which is not a naming word. That is not the naming word. So that word we have to find out in each set. So children, they have given here. In each set they have given 5 words for us. So among the 5 words we have to identify which is not the naming word. That word we have to do the circle. Okay, children. Now here in this the textbook page number 58, here we have the 4. The second page, page number 59, here the remaining 4 we have. That means total 8 sets we have in our textbook. Okay, children. So this we can do later. First, let us complete this. In the page number 58, what we have, let us complete that, children. So, the first one here we can start, children. Yes, here we go. The first one they have given in the set, lion, tiger, bear, wild, jackal. Okay, children. So, what are these? Yes, these are the names of animals. So, here we can see the names of animals, but among all these names, here one word it is like that which is not a naming word. So we have to identify that word. Okay, children? So lion, the first one, L-I-O-N, lion. Lion, naming word. Tiger, that's also a name of an animal. Okay. Bear. So bear also a naming word. Here, which is not a naming word, that we have to circle. Jackal, J-A-C-K-A-L. J-A-C-K-A-L. Jackal is also a name of an animal. But what about the wild? W-I-L-D, wild. Wild animals. So is this a naming word, children? No. So this is not a naming word. So this we can do the circle. So among all these, this is the odd one. So which is not a naming word. So this here we have to do the circle. So they told us to do the circle the word which is not a naming word. Okay. Now let us see, children, the second one. Rose. So flower. Soft. Lily. Lotus. Pansy. That means here we can see all the names of flowers. The first set here we have all the names of animals. The second set here we have all the names of flowers. So rose, lily, lotus, pansy, all these are the names of flowers. But what about the soft? Soft. So soft is not a naming word. Okay, children. So this we can do the circle here. So soft means here it is saying about the describing. So that is a describing word. That is not a naming word. It is describing. Yes, these flowers are very soft. Of course, the flowers are very soft. The petals of the flowers are very soft. Isn't it, children? So here we can see. So this soft is not a naming word. Yes, lily, lotus and a pansy, rose, all the sunflower, all these are the names, naming words. So this is the order. Completed. So here we have done the circle. Now comes to the third one, children. F-R-O-C-K, frock. S-K-I-R-T, skirt. W-E-A-R, wear. S-C-A-R-F, scarf. J-A-C-K-T, jacket. So here we can identify by observing all these. So what are these names of? Yes, the first one animals completed. The second one flowers completed. Now the third set, what about this? Yes, so these are discussing about the same, the names of clothes. Isn't it, children? Yes. Frock, skirt, scarf, jackets, all these are the names of clothes. But what about the wear? So wear means, do you have any dress? Wear, that means like that? No. So wear means wearing all these. So this is not a naming word. So easily we can identify and we can do the circle. Here we have completed. Now let us see the fourth one. Yes, here we have TWO2, BOY, boy, GIRL, girl, BABY, baby, AUNT, aunt. So here they have the relations. Boy, girl, aunt, uncle and the small baby. So like this, all these we have the relations here. So what about the first one here? TWO2. Sir, something counts like that. 1, 2 numbers. So this is not a naming word. These are all the naming words here. Boy, girl, baby, aunt, uncle. All these are the naming words. So which is not a naming word here? 2. 2 it's a number. 2 means it's a number. So this we can do the circle, children. So the textbook page number 58, the first 4. So here the 4 sets here we have completed. Now let us see the second set. The textbook page number 59. The next conclusion page, children. Here we have the remaining 4. So the remaining 4 sets here we have. Let us see, children, the remaining also. So children, let us see the remaining 4 words. So here the textbook page number 59. Okay, children, the remaining 4 words here we can see. The first one, what I have given here? Pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil, paper, P-A-P-R, paper, E-R-A-C-R, eraser, I-N-K, ink, P-O-T, pot, ink pot, W-R-I-T, right. Okay, children. So what are these? All. So if you read these, all these words, so what we can identify, children, here? So these are the names of things. Isn't it, children? The pencil, paper, book, eraser, pen. All these are the names of things. Pencil, paper, eraser, ink pot is also a thing. Now, which is not the naming word? Here, all these are the names of things. That means all these are the naming words. Now, in this, which is not a naming word? So, what is that word? Right. W-R-I-T, right. Right is an action word, doing word. So, already we have completed children the action words. So, eating, writing, brushing, jumping, singing, all these are the action words. So, right means it's action word. It's not a naming word. So, that word we have to do the circle. So, let us do the circle, children. So, here we have completed, right. Now, let us see the second one. So, that means the sixth one. J-U-G, jug. Yes. T-I-N-K-L-E, tinkle. B-O-X, box. P-A-N, pan. M-U-G, mug. Yes, these are also the names of things. All these are the household things. So, which we use daily routine things. So, in the bathrooms, all this we can find this. So, jug, drinking jug, water. So, jug is a thing. Box is a thing. Pan, the kitchen item, that's also a thing. Mug, so this you use in the washroom, so that is also a thing. So here which is not a thing, what is that word? So which is not a naming word. So that is tinkle. Do you know children tinkle? So the children, if you touch their ear on their things, they used to laugh. Yes, tinkling. Hey, stop tinkling me. So ma'am, this boy is tinkling me, like that we used to say. Isn't it children? In Telugu we used to say that is called as chakiri gindulu, like that. So if you touch to anywhere here, the arms and like this means the back. So if you touch any other body parts in a body means, so here we used to get the laugh. So that is called as tinkle. Tinkling we used to say. So that is called the tinkle. So this is not that word, naming word. So this we can do the circle. Completed. Now let us see the seventh one. Here we can see, yes, here they have given with the capital letters the names of countries. The starting these are India, I-N-D-I-A, India, C-H-I-N-A, China, S-P-E-A-K, speak, J-A-P-A-N, Japan, R-U-S-S-I-A, Russia. So here we can identify very easily because all these words are they have given the first letter the capital letter because they are the names of countries. India, China, Japan, Russia. Isn't it children? So these are the names of countries, naming words. Which is not the naming word. Yes, starting with a small letter, speak. S-P-E-A-K, speak. Speaking. So this is an action word. This is not a naming word. So this we can do the circle. Okay children? This we can find out very easily. Isn't it? All they have started with a capital letters. Only this is the word which is begin with a small letter. So here we have completed and the last one here we can see children. M-A-N-G-O, mango. A-P-P-L-E, apple. G-U-A-V-A, Goa. B-A-N-N-A, banana. And the last G-R-O-W, grow. Okay. So apple, mango, banana. What is this all? What are these all? Yes, these are the names of fruits. So the names of animals we have completed, flowers we have completed. So here they have given finally the last one. So the eighth one here we can see all the names of fruits. Okay. So among all these, which is not a naming word? It's very easy. The last one, G-R-O-W, grow. Growing. So growing is not a naming word. So growing is an action word. Growing is also an action. So this we can do the circle. So remaining all these are the names of fruits. Mango, apple, guava, banana, orange, grapes, papaya. All these are the fruits. So here we have completed children very easily. So here we have done the circle which is not a naming word. So here we have completed the page number 59. The two Romans. The capital A Roman, the capital B Roman. So let us see the third Roman, the C Roman. Tick the words that should begin with the capital letters and put a cross against the rest of the words. Okay children, let us see this Roman also. the C Roman. So children, let us see the third Roman, that is the C Roman in our textbook. So what is the C Roman here we have? Tick the words that should begin with capital letters. So the words which should begin with the capital letters, those words we have to give a tick mark and put a cross against the rest of the words. So the remaining words you can keep the cross mark. So let us see children, what are these words? So where these words will start with the capital letters. The first one already has been completed in our textbook. Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I, Diwali. So Diwali means it's a name of a festival. So festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. So children, here this Diwali is, they have written with a small letter. So like this is the wrong one. So children, so like this you should not write. So this is the word which should begin with a capital letter. So the capital letter we can write. So it's a name of a festival. So it has to begin with a capital D, Diwali. So here we have given a tick mark for this. The first one already has been completed in our textbook children. Let us see the second one. The second one is Agra. A-G-R-A, Agra. Agra means it's a name of a big city. So in Delhi, the Taj Mahal. Where is the Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Taj Mahal is located in Agra. So that is the name of a city. So yes, of course. So this also should not begin with a small letter. So it has to begin with a capital letter. So this also we have to give a tick mark. And then the third one is sheep. So it's a sheep. It's the name of an animal. So it's okay, no problem. The small letter also we can use children here. This you no need to always write with a capital letter. So the small letter also we can use. So here you can keep a cross mark. So this it's no need to always use the capital letter. The fourth one here we can see Holi. It's H-O-L-I, Holi. Holi is also a name of a festival. So Holi is also a name of a festival children. So like Diwali, Ramzan, Eid, Sankranti, so Pongal, all these are the names of festivals, isn't it? So festivals names we have to begin with a capital. So this we have to write with a capital. So here we can use the tick mark. And a boy. The fifth one here we can see the boy. B-O-Y, a boy. So boy no need. So it's here we don't need to write always the boy. No need to begin with a capital letter. So this is the no need. So here we can give a cross mark. And jam, J-A-M, jam. Yes, the capital letter. Those J for jam means so there we have to use the capital. So the remaining the rest of the words. So this you don't need to use the capital letters. Jam. So this we can give the cross mark. And April, A-P-R-I-L, April. April means it's a name of a month. It's a name of a month. January, the New Year, February, March, April, all these are the names of months. So names of months always should begin with a capital. Of course, these are the names of the months. So it has to begin with a capital. So this we can give a tick mark. Monday, what about the Monday? This days of the week. The days of the week also has to begin with a capital letters. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so Friday, Saturday, all these are the days of a week. Sunday. So all these 7 days of a week, this we have to begin with a capital letter. So here we may have to give a tick mark. And what about the last one? Week. So W-E-E-K, week. 7 days of a week. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So this we can use with a small letter also. So no need to use always with a capital letter. So this here we can give a cross mark. So children, these are the 9 words in our textbook here we have. So here we have completed children all these. So you can note down carefully in your textbooks all of you. Hope you understood children all of you. Up to here the 3 Romans here we